So hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look into the question of what is something that you need to leave behind and what is something that you need to embrace once 2025 year comes in. Okay. So there are going to be two different piles. There are going to be first pile is going to be uh let's take amethyst, pile number 1, and pile number 2 will be rose quartz. Okay. So I'm going to be starting with pile number 1 who have chosen the amethyst. Okay. What is something that you need to leave behind? Okay. So, okay, people have chosen pile number 1. If you are somebody who's choosing to move out of your city, if your country, changing your homes, or you're going out, moving out, buying your own home. Basically, there is a sense of changing places. Okay, if you're thinking that, and I feel some of you are already on that track, so please go ahead and do that. And if you're not, then it is advisable that you should leave something behind, and that is your energy of your home. Okay, now this can be in different aspects. Okay, for some of you it could be that the energy, the environment at your home is not allowing you to grow, to prosper. So intuitively you might be feeling an energy of stuckness, stagnancy. You're not able to go ahead. You really want to take steps, or you really want to give your 100%, but then things are not coming into your favor and you're confused. Okay, after this point, what should I do? Because I want to do these things, but I'm not able to do because the circumstances around are not being helpful to me. So, first of all, changing homes or changing the environment that you're living in is really required. What are you leaving behind? Some of you are leaving behind the energy of procrastination. Okay, if you have been procrastinating, it's like I'm getting the sense of it's like very obvious. Whatever I'm going to be saying in the pile for pile number 1, it's going to be very obvious. It's something that you already know, but it's just me confirming or giving you a validation that listen, you have to work on these things and then only you can go ahead. Okay, I'm also getting that you guys, if you are somebody who was in a relationship, in a situationship which was not giving you back equally, it's time to leave that situation behind. And I feel like you guys are somebody who I'm connecting to. You already know about it. You've already made decision about it. You're also very clear that this is what I want to choose, and you're going ahead with it. So I'm just confirming. You're already you guys have already turned your back towards that person, and आप move on कर ही रहे हो mentally and physically. Okay, what you need to leave behind is the energy of being very irresponsible, not taking actions, not being determined, not being disciplined, being very lazy. That is something that you need to really leave behind in 2024 before you start the year ahead. Okay, I see that you guys definitely are going to be ending certain situations, ending certain partnerships, ending certain job, career, something. Okay, that is really really necessary for you guys. I just feel like I need to pick one more card about what are you guys leaving behind. You need to leave behind the energy of um, control. Okay, like if you think that you can have your future in your control, you will have the certainty all the time. It is not possible. Only in uncertainty is the person grows to a larger extent. It gives that person a challenge कि भाई ये situation में मैं कैसे perform कर सकता हूँ, कितना best दे सकता हूँ, how much I can give myself, am I able to give 90%, 100% in that situation. So uncertainty is going to be a part of you right now also, and also once you enter 2025. But you need to leave behind the energy of कंट्रोल कि सारे सिचुएशंस मेरे कंट्रोल में ही रहे, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. एंड यू माइट ऑलरेडी have seen experiences जहाँ पर universe gives you a reality check that hey listen, even if you plan, I don't think things are going to work out accordingly. So you need to learn to surrender and loosen the control over things which are not in your hand. Okay, now is the time to become a little bit much more serious going ahead, 2025, and enough of being irresponsible and just taking some reckless decisions. That will not be working in the going ahead month 2025. Okay, now I'm going to see what is something that you need to embrace in 2025. What is something people have chosen pile number one, amethyst? What is something that they need to embrace as they enter the new year? What do they need to embrace? Open heart chakra, open conversations, initiating conversations, coming out of your comfort zone. अगर एक spider web, I'm getting an image of spider web. So if you have maintained a lot of boundaries and a lot of you're all conscious. Okay. I'm getting two things. One thing, if you maintain a lot of boundaries, then you need to open yourself up. And spiderweb is also a sign of a lot of hard work. Okay, so you've done a lot of hard work, but now you have to do smart work. जहाँ पर आप conversations करोगे with meaningful people, those conversations are going to be giving you a push to go ahead in certain directions, rather than if you put your 100% into the hard work, just 20% of those conversations with few people will take you ahead. तो इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी, बस कॉन्वर्जेशंस करने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि वहां से आपके रास्ते खुलने वाले हैं, वहां से आपके सिचुएशंस खुलने वाले हैं. ओके, let's see what do you need to embrace in the month of January and going ahead for the whole year. Okay, you need to embrace the idea of self-respect. I'm getting, okay, I don't know. Some people here I'm connecting with, there are some people around you who do not respect you or do not give you equally. Okay, and you've always been the one who's giving more than what you receive. So self respect is the first thing that I'm getting in, that you need to work on and embrace on and wear it every single day. Okay, second thing that you need to embrace is you do not need to always be in the energy of continuously confused and continuously not able to make the decisions. And even if you're making the decisions, you feel that you're being reckless and you're not making the right decisions, then now is the time to focus on gaining knowledge, gaining different experiences, gaining different perspectives. And that is why I was picking up communication. You will communicate so that whenever you talk to those people wo aapki career field mein ho ya in the love area also, when you communicate to people who are already 5 years ahead of you, they've already experienced what you will be experiencing right now. So you know that certain things जो उन्होंने mistakes किए वो मुझे repeat नहीं करनी है, so that I do not waste my time. You have to gather. You will be encouraged to gather a lot of knowledge in the aspect of your career or any aspects wherever you feel confused and you're doubting your decisions. It's important to gather experience through which you will gain the wisdom, and at the same time knowledge लेना है, लोगों से बात करके लेना है knowledge. What will you need to know is that thoda open heart, okay, and you have to initiate conversations, you have to go out, you have to be there. Okay, this year will be about taking few risks, this year will be about going out there and putting yourself out there completely, like these are the skills, these are the things, this is who I am, this is what makes me who I am, everything. Okay, every emotion, everything out there. No more holding yourself back. Okay, you are actually meant to also embrace. Some people are going to be shifting paces, like literally. Okay, this year is going to be that year which will help you to move out, okay, or create something of your own. And that's going to be massive, like bigger than you ever imagined, that you could have done this or you have that ability to do this. It's going to be that different. Okay, what you need to embrace is the fact of dualities, uncertainty. Okay, things are not always going to be controlled. I will still pick up a card. What is something that pine number one needs to embrace once they go into 2025? Empress. Okay, I see that you guys will be leaving every other situation that is keeping you drained, unfulfilled. Uh, it is disaligning you with your own femininity from receiving, and you will realize how important it is to receive this year. ऐसे situations होंगे जहां पर you will be pushed to receive the love, receive the compliments, receive in general. Okay, if you want to get pregnant, you can get pregnant, and if you are into all those sexual activities, be aware, have protection, because it's a high chance. The fertility is on a high. So yeah, that's what is for pile number 1. Okay, now I'll be moving to pile number 2, who have chosen the rose quartz. Okay, we'll see first what is something that you need to leave behind. Okay, in 2024, something that you need to leave behind. And I'm also picking up the cards for something that you need. What are the things that you need to embrace? Okay, what are the things that they need to embrace in 2025? Let's start with what you need to release. The Magician, the Six of Pentacles, and the Fool. Pile number 2, what you need to really release is the energy is very good. Okay, for pile number 2, there is no as particular thing that you really need to release, but there is an energy where you're already there. You have accomplished certain amount of your work, name, fame, money, anything that you ever believed that you couldn't do, you've achieved all of those aspects. Okay, but now universe wants you to release the energy of accessibility. I don't know what is it. I don't know what am I picking up on, but I clarify once again. People who have chosen the rose quartz, what do they need to release before 2024 ends? What do they need to release? Yeah, why I was picking up the energy of you need to release people of accessibility. You've already reached, okay, you've already reached where you wanted to. You've achieved your heights, you've achieved your goals, your aspirations. In fact, you are in a position where people are getting inspired by you. Okay, but what you need to release is there are certain people whom you're giving, okay, and they do not value you enough, and they're draining you. They are not allowing you to be in your own energy, in your own element, and you do not need to give to certain people. That certain people, a few people, you already know it. When I'm talking about it, you will already get an energy of who I'm talking to. Those people will come into your mind. Or the first, the people who are coming instantly to your mind in the first go, those are the people who are meant to leave behind. Certain amount of accessibility is going to be reduced to people. You are meant to be in your own element. You are meant to leave certain people behind who do not value your presence. And these people are somebody whom you know very well. So, which means from your close friend circles or close circle in general. Okay, you're meant to leave those people. Accessibility is getting lowered for certain people. You do not need to give into certain situations, and those certain situations are draining your energy. They're not allowing you to be in your true element. They're not allowing you to take a risk. They're not allowing you to start fresh. Even if you want to, just relax and just be with yourself, you're not even able to relax in that energy. Okay, तो कुछ तो है जो आपको hold back कर रहा है, and it's not allowing you to go ahead, and that energy is somewhere being drained from your system. That is something that you need to leave behind. Okay, could be a fire sign. Okay, Taurus, I don't know, I picked up Taurus also, Taurus or Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Somebody in that energy needs to go out of your life. Okay. I will just pick up last two cards. If there is something else that's coming in for pile number 2, what do they need to leave before 2024 comes in? A good travel will be great. If you can plan travel in a month's period or in 2 months period, it will be great for you guys because it's going to help you to release a lot of baggage that you've been carrying from your childhood. Okay. Second thing, what you need to leave behind is if people are not helping you to be in your peaceful state, helping you to grow, helping you to make money, then they are not meant to be in your energy. And that is something they're going to be realizing very, very soon. Even if the person is in the energy of temperance for people around, but आप connect ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो person भी गलत है, आप भी गलत हो. It's just that you're not vibrationally aligning with that person and you need to leave that person back. Okay, let's see what is something that you need to embrace before 2020 in 2025. I already picked up, childhood trauma. You need to embrace a lot of patience this year coming in. Okay, this year is going to be a year where you will actually understand a lot of things. अगर आप confused हो, disaligned हो, clarity नहीं है, this year you will be getting a lot of clarity. You know what are the things that I need to do, what are the areas where I need to invest in, what are the courses that I need to learn, and this year is going to also test your patience in general. Okay, so whatever you want is going to come, maybe not this year, but after a year or two, but this is going to be the patience year. Okay, this year is also a great year to invest in different courses, different learning programs, investing in your education, investing in things in general, because growth इतनी नहीं है in general. So जितने भी पैसे आप invest करो, so at least that is getting multiplied and you get back a good amount once the year ends. This year is also going to be about embracing your inner child completely. Okay, there are aspects of you which you're still not open to, you're still not healed, you're still keeping closed off out of the area of protection and protecting your own self, protecting your inner child. But now universe wants you to heal that inner child. Okay, so this year completely the inner child is going to come out of the shell. Every other thought process, situations, experiences and things in general that were holding your inner child inside, okay, it was not allowing you to be completely vulnerable, open, authentic, not able to up. You want to give to a lot of people, but you're not able to give to a lot of people. You're able to give 60%. Okay, you're not being able to give 100% to the person because you're not open to your own self, right? So you're going to get that clarity where you're going to get open to your own energy कि भाई मैं इतना दे. You're going to be experiencing a lot of emotionally up and down turmoils, or emotions are going to be high and low very frequently throughout the year because बहुत सारी purging होने वाली है, बहुत कुछ heal होने वाला है at an inner child level. Okay, कहीं ना कहीं you will also be required to reparent yourself, where you're going to be changing your belief systems and changing the way you look at yourself. Okay, I also get an energy ki if you can practice mirror work, okay, where you stand in front of the mirror, okay, and you say affirmations and you change your limiting beliefs, you change your thought process, and you change the way your subconscious mind functions, will help you to manifest something better in your life, because everything that you want to manifest comes from a subconscious level energy. The subconscious एनर्जी इज बेसिकली जो भी बिलीव्स हमने बचपन से सोची है वो बहुत ही स्ट्रांग हो गई है, बट अभी हमको वो बिलीव्स को चेंज करना है सो दैट व्हाट वी वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट कम्स फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ सेफ security and a sense of knowing that okay, this is what I know, this is what I want, and this is what I'm worth for. Okay, so that is something that you're going to be experiencing in the month. That is something that you need to be embracing in the year 2025. So that's the reading for all of you guys. I hope you learned something new, resonated with you. Then please give me a little bit of detailed understanding of how it resonated with you in the comment section, and I would love to know that if there are any recommendations for me to make a guidance video for all of you, do follow me on my Instagram pages. And if you feel connected, you can come and book with me a private one-to-one tarot session. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourselves and your family.